In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn a button into a file download button. This invites visitors to get different sorts of files, such as an ebook. Your website's visitors can simply save the files to their computer or any other device with just one click. As you can see, we already have a button widget on the page that we'll use to enable our users to download a PDF. All we have to do now is upload our file and modify the button's properties to download it when clicked. We'll start by uploading the PDF file to the WordPress media library. Open the Finder and search for Dashboard by holding down Command or Control E. Then, to open it in a new tab, hold down Command or Control, then select Dashboard. Now we'll go to Media Library and choose Add New. Note, there is a default maximum upload file size. This will depend on the hosting provider's settings. This file should not be larger than this, or we'll get an error message. The document file for our example will be a PDF document. We may either click Select File to select the PDF file, or drag and drop it straight into the media library. We'll need to copy the file's location next so that the button knows where to find it. We'll click the file to bring up its settings window. Finally, we'll click the file URL field and select it before copying it to our clipboard. That's all there is to it. Let's go back to the Editor tab now that we've finished everything in the media library. We'll then click the button to open its settings and paste the URL we just copied into the link field. We'll have it so that visitors can download it directly to their computer or mobile device with a relevant file name. To do so, select the gear symbol and then Custom Attributes. Choose Download, a pipe symbol or a vertical bar, and the file name from there. Great, we've finished. Now it's time to update, preview, and test everything out. Once you click on the Download button, the file downloads immediately and opens in a single click. Everything is working great. Well done. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to check out our other great tutorials on our channel.